So the price of FTT tumbles even further following the FTX crash a few weeks ago. Unfortunately, there has been no glimpse of recovery here for FTT. And in fact, at the moment, the FTT price is tumbling down in a descending channel pattern, which is quite a bearish continuation pattern. As we can see, there is a significant level of support around $1.13. As we can see, we had two touchdowns here at this level where each time was represented by a long wick, which does reflect buying pressure, but at the moment it does seem like FTX token just wants to spiral down further and further. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, we're closing towards the bottom of the band now. Volatility is calming down, but we can see, of course, that a big area of resistance is breaking back through this $2.42 level here on the upper resistance trend line of the descending channel. So we really need to see what's going to happen here for this particular token. Do I think it's worth getting into? Probably not at this stage. There could be another buying opportunity around here, around that sort of $1 mark if it does come down any lower. But at the moment, I think, FTT is pretty done for, especially when we look at the historical price data and look at this weekly candle. It is just stuck down here at prices way back in like early 2020 and even 2019. So unfortunately, this key area of support that we lost here at $20, I do not see FTT ever recovering back to that particular level, and if it did, well, you'd still be looking at a crazy increase of around 9.6x. So I highly doubt we're going to see this one recover now. But yeah, it's pretty crazy to see what's happened. Of course, FTX token, FTT, still has $500 million market capitalization, which is quite significant. It's ranked 209. It probably does not deserve to be ranked 209 in my opinion, but yeah, it's ranked 209. So that's pretty crazy in my opinion. 93% total supply. Looking at crypto bubbles today, majority of the crypto markets are kind of red, so there's not much happening at the moment, to be honest. If you are looking for a bit of excitement, however, you can join the Discord down below. We've just had a pre-sale go live, IMPT token. There are 3 other pre-sales that you can also potentially get into that are live at the moment. If you did miss this one, you can find more information on all those in the bottom, but definitely hop into the Discord and just come talk to us guys. There's over 3,000 people in my Discord channel. It's worth saying hello to everybody and just getting to know each other. But yeah, crypto markets is a bloodbath at the moment. We are seeing loss in terms of the valuation of many altcoins. Looking at Bitcoin, just trading at $17,000 at the moment, $327 billion market cap. So Bitcoin actually looks kind of good, considering we're delving almost to the bottom of a crypto winter now, which could last for, I don't know, some crazy amounts of time. So we just have to be kind of patient for this one, of course. In other news, IMPT is being traded on Uniswap at the moment. We can see there has been, unfortunately, a bit of selling pressure at the start, but this is my way of looking at it is it's a good opportunity for accumulation, and even though it's happened, it's not yet been deployed on the centralized exchanges, so we can easily see this pump back to the upside, especially once it breaks through the resistance of 2 cents. So I have not sold any tokens, and I'm not going to until it does go much higher. I still do have long-term faith and believe in everything in this. Fortunately, can't get things right all the time, but I would not start sort of pointing fingers or judging the performance of this pre-sale until at least a week. I mean, look at Tamadoge as an example. It immediately dumped, then it rocketed 20x afterwards. So stay optimistic, guys. Stay happy, stay humble. Do get yourself into the Discord. Remember, it's really the place to be this crypto winter. There's going to be so many big opportunities coming up, and in my opinion, just stay away from FTX token. I think it's a little bit risky at the moment. There's not really much going on with it, and it doesn't excite me anymore. It's probably better off looking in the cryptocurrency section and checking out the new trending coins, or looking at what's pumped over the last 7 days and trying to sort of identify opportunity there, or even in the last 24 hours. As you see, we've got many sort of ranked 10 to 100 coins are performing quite well at the moment. But yeah, it's a bit of a bear market, isn't it? It's a bit boring at the moment. Hold on tight, time is on our side, as the famous Benjamin Cohen would say, and there's plenty of moments to be dollar cost averaging into things like Bitcoin, Ethereum at the moment. But yes, FTT unfortunately is not looking great, and I think I saw the creation of something like FTX Classic, another one with a red flag, and probably recommended to stay away from, in my opinion. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, do slap that subscribe button, comment, let me know what you think will happen with FTT coin, and what things are you finding exciting in the markets at the moment. I'd love to hear back from you. See you soon, guys.